First, position the cuff on the patient's limb, then wrap and secure it with the contact closure. Second, wrap the web cuff strap around the limb, overcuff, and secure it with plastic quick-release buckle. Now, adjust the web strap snugly around the cuff. Always allow enough room to insert one finger between the patient's limb and the cuff. Be sure that the straps do not interfere with or cut off circulation. Next, release the buckle on the long end of the web strap. Wrap the loop end of the strap around the bed frame. Make sure this is the movable part of the bed frame. Slip the buckle through the loop to secure it to the bed. Now snap the two parts together. Make sure the buckle snaps together tightly. Extend or shorten the strap on the bed frame as needed to secure in desired location. To release the buckles, just squeeze the sides of the quick-release buckle and pull it apart. Thank you for choosing ProCare Patient Safety Devices from DJO. Our goal is to provide quality products that meet the needs of you and your patients. You can contact us toll-free at 1-800-793-6065.